welcome back. In this video lecture, we are going to look at nested if statement in C programming language. Alright, so we've looked at some other decision-making statements previously, and I believe that you will learn some of those things. Then let's go ahead and dive into looking at nested if. What we mean nested, we mean putting an if statement inside an if statement. That is the simple definition of nested if statement. When you put an if statement inside another if statement, so let's say for example we have int x equal to 10 and also have int y equal to 5 and put a semicolon at the end. I'll go ahead and say if x is equivalent to 10. This is the first condition we check. If x is equivalent to 10. And inside there we also check if y is equivalent to 5. So you must meet these two conditions before anything will be printed out for you or before you execute a program. Then go ahead and say print f. This is this is a nested if statement. So this is a nested if statement, and go ahead and press semicolon at the end. So if you meet this condition, you go ahead and print that, else. You go ahead and go ahead and print. You failed the condition. Or you failed the condition, then that's okay. And put a semicolon at the end. Now, let's go here on the formula core and check this out. So, this is a nested if statement because x is equal to 10 and y is equal to 5. What if you have x equal to 10 and y equal to 7? Go ahead and print out these and let's check it out. So nothing is returned. Okay. So, we wrote our else statement outside the if. Go ahead and cut this from here and write inside here and pass your else. Okay. So if this condition fails, if the first condition fails, then it go ahead and execute the second condition, which is else. So go ahead and run the code and check it out. So you failed the condition, okay? You did not meet the condition. So x must be equal to 10 and y must be equal to 5. So if you fail any of this condition, then you've fallen out of the nested if statement. You've fallen out of this condition, then you should be landed in the else. So we consider we nested this right inside another if statement. So that is why it is called nested if statement. It's very simple and very straightforward. So you can nest many or more if statements inside another if statement. So go ahead and try it out and check it out and make sure that you get something good, something awesome, and something very amazing. And if you have any question under this video lecture, please use the question and the answer section, and I'm going to get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much, and I'm going to see you in the next video lecture.